Good morning, guys. So yesterday I had at least one person asking a really important question about the equations we were working with of when will I use this, all right? And I told them I had to think about this a little bit, but there definitely is an answer, and I wanted to do a better job answering it than I was prepared for. So just a couple examples I've been thinking of. One, if I go to the gym and I am trying to build muscle, all right? When I go to the gym, sometimes the weights are in pounds, sometimes the weights are in kilograms. But I know that I know that there's an equation that connects the two, because every kilogram is worth 2.2 pounds. So the number of kilograms here, every kilogram is the same as 2.2 pounds. So actually I've got this backwards. This should say that the number of pounds is equal to 2.2 times the number of kilograms. Alright, that means if I know, like, okay, I'm lifting a weight that's 10 kilograms, really easy to plug that in and find P. I'll just say P equals 2.2 times the 10 kilograms, and so, alright, it's 22 pounds. So I know that 10 kilogram weight's worth 22 pounds. But a little more difficult if I'm working the other way. Say I know that my goal is to lift 45 pounds. So I'm trying to make 45 pounds. I know that that's equal to 2.2 times the kilograms. All right, well, now that's an equation I need to solve to figure out how many kilograms that should be. It's a pretty easy one-step equation, just like you guys have been doing. I just divide by 2.2 on both sides. Right here, those cancel out, and I get that K is equal to about 20.5. All right, so I just put that in the calculator, by the way. So I know, like, okay, if I'm trying to lift 45 pounds, I need to lift about 20.5 kilograms. Also, I told you guys yesterday that you're going to keep using equations in every math class you ever take from now on, in physics and chemistry, basically all your science classes from now on. When you get to physics, which is all about how to build things and make things move, one of the equations you're going to see the most is F equals ma. That just means force equals mass times acceleration. So pretty much, if you want something to accelerate, if you want it to speed up, whether that's like a car or a bike or an airplane or anything you're trying to make speed up, all right, it's pretty much like how quickly you want it to speed up times its mass times how massive it is or how big it is. That tells you how much force you need. So I'm going to avoid units for now just to keep it simple. But let's say that I know to get this airplane in the air, I need an acceleration of 100. Right? And I don't know how big it is, but I know that a force of 300 will get it up in the air. Then I can just divide both sides there by 100. These cancel out, and I get that the mass can be 3. All right, so with that force, that's the mass to get the acceleration I need. Anyway, hope this is helpful. Hope that answers that question. And we're going to keep working on these equations.